Hi guys, this is how to share screen during video calls on WhatsApp. So that's how to do it. Open WhatsApp on your phone, select contact you wish to call, tap on video call button. Your recipient should receive your call. And then you have these three dots here, both on your phone and on the phone of your recipient. So you can tap on the screen to see these dots, or tap once again to hide. The same on another phone. So you can tap on three dots and tap on share screen. Then confirm by tapping on Start Now. And now everything you're doing is visible to the person you're chatting with, except for PIN code entries. You see, when I'm entering PIN code on lock screen, my interlocutor cannot see that. And that's pretty it, guys. I will show you how to stop sharing. Just stop sharing. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and be awesome. Bye guys.